Transportation. Look at the following pictures. This is Visakhapatnam International Airport. When we travel abroad, we go to International Airport. These are shipyards in Visakhapatnam and Kakinada. When we import or export goods from abroad, we use shipyards. We use international airport to travel from one country to another. Airways and waterways are the main ways to go abroad. Most of the people prefer to travel by aeroplanes. Airways is the very fast transport but more expensive. Some people prefer to travel by ship. Waterways is less expensive but it takes much time. Different types of people travel abroad on different purposes like trade, employment, games, tourism, and higher studies. The products or goods which are excess are sent to other places. This process is called export. Our country mainly export mango, banana, and pomegranate fruits. We import the products we need from other places. Our country import mainly kiwi, dragon fruit, and jackfruits. How are the goods supplied to different parts of our country? There are certain vehicles for carrying goods. They carry goods from one place to another and also from one country to another by roadways, waterways, railways, and airways. What are the vehicles used for transporting the goods to nearby places from your village? Cart, tractor, van, truck, lorry, and goods train are mainly used to transport goods in our country. In abroad, we use cargo aeroplanes and cargo ships to transport goods to abroad. Do you know who is she? She is Posarna Venkata Sindhu. She is a famous Indian professional badminton player, a pride to our country. She is the first Indian woman to win silver medal in Olympics 2016 and a gold medal at the World Championship in 2019. She has visited different places in the world such as Switzerland, Malaysia, Rio, etc. The government of India honored her with the prestigious Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, and Rajiv Ken Ratna awards. She has been honored with the post of deputy collector. Have you ever visited a tourist place? In our state, a number of tourist places is there. The main places are Tirumala, Visakhapatnam, Araku Valley, Vijayawada, Borra Caves, Srisailam. Have you visited Lambasingi? Lambasingi is also known as Andhra Kashmir. It is very coolest place in our state. Now we learn about global village. Nowadays we talk about a global village. You know, there are so many countries in the world. Transport and communication unites the entire world into a village. So we call the entire world as a global village. The internet has greatly influenced communication, reducing the world to a village. The distance has been reduced among the people. It has become quite reachable, connecting people from any place across the world. What we have learned: airways, waterways are the main ways to go abroad. Different vehicles are used to import and export of goods. People travel to different countries on the purpose of business, tourism, and participate in games. Transport and communication brings the entire world into a global village. World is called a global village because of easy transportation and communication.